सुपरबाईक चालवणाऱ्या बाईक रायडर्सनी सेफ्टीसाठी नेमकी कोणती खबरदारी घेतली पाहिजे या उद्देशाने पुण्यातील पाषाण इथं बीयू भंडारी शोरूमच्या वतीने सेफ्टी राईडचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं। सुपरबाईक असलेल्या 70 बायकर्सने या राईडमध्ये सहभाग घेतला होता।
पुण्याच्या पाषाणमधल्या ट्रायम्फ बीयू भंडारी शोरूमच्या वतीने एका अनोख्या बाईक रॅलीचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं। ट्रायम्फ बीयू भंडारी शोरूम पासून सुरू झालेली ही बाईक रॅली वाईपर्यंत होती। सुपर बाईक चालवणाऱ्या बायकर्सला सेफ्टीचं महत्त्व कळावं यासाठी या रॅलीला सेफ्टी राईड असं नाव देण्यात आलं होतं।
Automobile as passion, automobile as business started with BU Bhandari from the year 1969. In the year 1972, we started selling two-wheelers with kinetic engineering. Riding or driving has been part of our family for a very, very long time. My father has been an avid car driver. He's participated in many rallies. In 1982, he completed the Himalayan rally in a modified Fiat. And the riding and driving culture or the passion is part of the family. Whenever you think riding, you should think BU Bhandari. I would say think riding, think BU Bhandari. Think happiness, think BU Bhandari.
या सेफ्टी राईड मध्ये सहभागी झालेल्या रायडर्सनेही या उपक्रमाचं कौतुक केलंय।
My journey on the Bonneville has been tremendous. I have taken it to roads which I feel are not made for such a bike, but the bike performed flawlessly. So yeah, basically I love the bike. I don't feel the need to change my bike or upgrade. It's just perfect, and I think I'll be riding it for quite a long time.
I ride the world's fastest bike, fastest production bike, and along with it comes responsibility. Safety for me is a matter of respect for myself and for all the people riding along with me. In fact, even people driving along with me. And safety is something which is inbuilt. You cannot blame anybody for any mishap but yourself. So you have safety in your hands.
Safety is the first factor of the group. Safety depends. It is not about only the jacket or gloves. It is all about the full gear. It's about the jackets, gloves, boots, and the riding pants. Generally, we ride in a formation. We always have a leader and a sweeper. If someone wants to do a high speed, he can't cross the leader. So it's always a leader is ahead and leader is handling the speed. According to the leader and a sweeper, everyone is controlled inside the safety.
I was riding with Bikernes, the Women Rider Club, and now I ride solo. I personally feel being a woman rider, the bike is more easier, and I would recommend it to other women also who are who would like to ride the classic style or the cruiser bikes. It's not a cruiser bike, but it's sort of a classic bike, but it's quite comfortable to ride on a city roads also and on the highways also.
पण मोठ्या बाइक्स जेव्हा घेतो तेव्हा आपली सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खूप वाढते। आपण हेल्मेट्स, गेअर्स हे खूप इसेन्शियल आहे, आणि तुम्ही जेव्हा एक स्पेसिफिक रस्त्यांवरती लाईक फॉर हायवेजवरती चालवतात तेव्हा तुमची सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहे की तुम्ही एक तुमचा स्पेसिफिक स्पीडच्या वरती न जाणे, बिकॉज स्पीड इज थ्रिल अँड इट कॅन किल ऑल्सो. सो तुम्हाला घरी कोणीतरी वाट बघणारं असतं, त्यामुळे एक मला असं वाटतं की तुम्ही 100% अँड आय फॉलो दॅट safety is before anything.
Riding high performance machines comes with a lot of responsibility. In our riding group, COPS, we believe in giving respect to all road users and riding responsibly. We also believe that riding with all the gear all the time, whether it's a short ride or a long ride over multiple days, is a must. This keeps our riders safe and other road users safe as well.
Before having this bike, I was looking out for some automobiles, but later on, because of advice through my friends, I end up buying this Triumph, which is a fantastic technology. So after having this technology, I get to know how to ride, how safe to ride, what are the techniques, and the all credit for my riding goes to BU Bhandari and the support they provide. So even I get any point of time while riding, we get the breakdown, and these guys were just a phone call away. They are very courteous to help us. support us and guide us throughout. And I started riding only because of the Triumph BU Bhandari Triumph team.
BU भंडारी शोरूम हे सुपर बाईक विक्री आणि सेवा देण्यासाठी प्रसिद्ध आहे. पण केवळ विक्री न करता सुपर बाईक वापरणाऱ्यांच्या सुरक्षेसाठी BU भंडारी यांचा सेफ्टी राईड सारखा उपक्रम नक्कीच कौतुकास्पद आहे. कैलासपुरीसह ब्युरो रिपोर्ट झी मीडिया पुणे.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.